Hey guys, Woodworking by Asher here, and we're going to be doing a little bit of cutting board maintenance on a old reclaimed barnwood cutting board that's been in use for about 3 years. A scrub brush, some dish soap, some fine sandpaper, I'm using 220 grit, a soft cloth, and some mineral oil / beeswax, something that's all natural to protect your cutting board. What we're going to do today, we're going to clean the cutting board, remove these stains that are in it, perform a light sanding, and then rejuvenate it with the butcher block conditioner. As you can see, the cutting board's a little bit dry, hasn't been maintained the best. Fortunately, there's not any major sanding required taking off of the surface. The end grain has done a really good job of absorbing knife cuts even though it's been heavily used. So let's get to it. To apply the butcher block conditioner. Before you use this, I recommend shaking it up and also soaking it in warm water to get it more liquidy. So now we will apply it. Cutting board's now ready to use. Remember to reapply the butcher block conditioner at least once a month to preserve this condition. Thank you for watching.